To enable the use of catalog on the WhatsApp chatbot, we need to add permission to the WhatsApp Cloud API. In this short video, we will show how to do that. Let's go to the business.facebook.com/settings. From here, go to System Users. Click on the Generate New Token button. Select the app. Then select the token expiration. Previously, we had only used 3 permissions. Now, we will add the catalog management permission. Then click on the Generate Token. To utilize the catalog feature on the WhatsApp chatbot, we need to use this new token to re-import the WhatsApp account. Copy the token. Let's use the new token to connect the WhatsApp account. Get the business ID from the WhatsApp account. Paste it here. Click on the Connect button. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video.